Hello girls, good afternoon to one and all present here. Today we are going to see AWT controls. What is the expansion of AWT? Abstract Window Toolkit. Okay. So if you see the detailed definition of AWT, it is an Abstract Window Toolkit. It is a set of applications that has been used mainly in Program Interface API that has been used by a Java programmer in order to create the GUI. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface in order to have the best example of buttons, scroll bars and windows. Then coming to basics, so how we are interact with the user, that has been done in AWT by means of three concepts: UI elements, layout and behaviors. Then coming to component hierarchy, so we'll have a component hierarchy, a canvas, container, button, label, checkbox, scroll bar, choice, text component and list. Next we are going to see a control. Control is nothing but you have to create and you have to add to the window by using the method, add method. So syntax is component add and you have to add the object, whatever object you have to add. If you want to remove, you have to use the syntax component remove. I want to remove all the control at a time, you have to use remove all. Okay. Then the topics that has been covered in AWT event is event class, event listeners, event handling and the last one is an event adapters. So what is event? Event is nothing but an object that has been changed from one state to another. So that has been used in an application. It is generally we can call it as an event. So two types of event in AWT: background event and foreground event. Background event is nothing but it does not require any user action. That is the definition of a background event. So the example is software interruption, operating system failures or some of the example of a background event. Then coming to foreground event, it requires the user interaction. So it is vice versa. Okay. Then the example is mouse click, entering a character from the keyboard or some of the example of a foreground events. Then the overall prototype of a AWT, you have to start with an object, then event object, AWT event. So AWT event having action, adjustment, component, item as well as the text event. So the input event plays a major role. So having the container event, window event, focus and paint event. So the input event having the key event and mouse event. So these are all the overall prototype. So then coming to the component that we have seen, we will take only two examples. First example is the component called button. So if you are creating an application, you have to need the button called OK, submit and cancel. OK is nothing but once you design the form using this component, you have to, the form or the application that you are going to develop is finished, finalized. You have to click OK button. Okay. So if you want to use the submit button, you have to just use the component submit button. So I don't want the application, so I have to come out of this. You have to just click cancel button. Okay. Then the one more example is choice. That is falls under the category of a component. So if you are having 10 types. Okay, so I want to choose any one from that. You have to use the component called choice, and you have to select that particular, and you have to click the button called show. So it shows whatever the component that you are choose, though that has been done by the component called choice. So here they are explaining this with an example. You are choosing a bike. So if you are using the button show, so vehicle selected is bike. Okay, so this is very much useful for the building any applications. Okay, so that's all regarding this. We have a detailed session in the next class. Thank you, girls.